Hi guys, in front of me is Tecno Phantom 5 Flip, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint. First of all, open the settings, then find and select password and security, and mark fingerprint. Now click on set lock screen password, because before you add a fingerprint you need to have some backup. You can choose pattern, a numeric password or alphanumeric password. Let me choose pattern. Then re-enter it just to confirm, mark confirm, and manage notification content. So let me pick the first option, then mark done. And now it's time to place your fingerprint. So just click add a fingerprint, tap on next, and as you can see, a fingerprint sensor is located on your power button. So just keep tapping till your fingerprint is fully added. And as you can see, that's it. Tap on finish then, and from now on you will be able to unlock your device either with your fingerprint or with your backup pattern. So just like that, or like that. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.